Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PS5 error code CE-100096-6. So first of all, we need to quickly understand why this particular issue actually occur. So this error code is on the PlayStation usually appears when there is a problem installing or updating a game, often relating to storage, corrupted data, or system glitches. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply do a quick restart. For that, you just have to simply press the PS button. After that, simply go to the power section, then look for the option of restart PS5. This particular step is going to clear the temporary system bugs that may be causing the error. Afterwards, you just have to make sure that your console has enough free space. So you just have to go to the settings. Afterwards, simply go to storage. Over here inside storage, you need to simply take a look at the available space. If the storage is low, you can delete any unused games or the applications to free up some space, and then you can try installing the game again. Now, even after doing both of these steps, the issue still continues. It means that the game files might be corrupted. So you can go to your home screen and then you can highlight the game. After that, you can press the option button and then you can basically delete it. After that, you can reinstall the game from your library or the disk, and this ensures that you are installing a clean version of the game. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the issue is resolved forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.